Unong yalam ke NPP, ubadairu u dekat ka kenhuan menteri u Markus N. Marak, hakakalai terik rempang ula penpau ya ka jing skhem ba ka parti, kan yo ya ka jing job na baro ki arteli ki parliament constituency, kata na po Shillong bat Tura. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor, umarak ula ong ba ka sitting MP na Tura ka agatha ke sangma, khem artatin kadang yo ya ka jing job ka badan buram, hakani ka Lok Sabha election ka ban salong shen. Kumjo na Shillong ru ni kermen skhem ban yo ya ka jing job. Ni kentu ya ki paj ba khasi jantia baki day ban ai ka jing kershan ya ka NPP namar kala persang ban le ya ka babahatam hapo ka jing yalam jong u konrat sangma. Pila yo I menta ya ki jing kala ha ka jela. Kumta ni kermen ban yo ya ka jing kershan na ki paj nong shong ka jela ula ong.
She will win, definitely. Any doubt?
NPP has any doubt?
Sorry?
NPP no doubt. No?
No doubt, we will win. We are very hopeful of winning.
What about Shillong?
Also, we are hopeful of winning.
But there are issues.
We are appealing to the people of Kasij and Jehils also. Should go for the NPP party. NPP party has tried level best under the leadership of Conrad Kesama. You must have seen state being transformed now. So hope we are hopeful of getting the support of the people of our state. If we have 2 numbers of MPs in Delhi, so to get the clearance of all these centrally sponsored schemes will be very easy for us to push for the projects.